Okay, good morning, students. So we are discussing our module 3, part A, that is file and file operations. Okay, in file and file operations, our first topic was various file operations. Okay, file handling, how to handle a file in R. And here we discuss many different types of functions. Then our second topic was importing or reading a file in R. How to import or read a file, okay, into R. Now our last topic in our part A of module 3 is exporting or writing a file in R. Okay, how to export or write a file using R. Okay, R program is one of the very powerful language. Okay, specifically used for what data analytics in various fields. Okay, here when you do data analysis, you need to what? You need to read and write data from various files. Okay, you need only not only read it, even after reading, you need to write a data into what? Various file like Excel file, CSV file, text file, etc. Hmm. Okay, like text file, CSV file. What is CSV? Comma separated file and Excel file. In today's class, we are going to learn how to write into a text file or a CSV file or a Excel file. Okay. First one is how to write a data into a text file. Okay. The syntax to write the data into the text file is write dot table. Okay. If you remember in import, we have already gone through what? A read dot table. Now we are going to run what? Write dot table. Okay. Write dot table. What you need to have in read, if you remember, we need to pass only one argument is compulsory. What is that argument? The file. Okay, from where you want to read, but here two arguments are compulsory. What is the two arguments? The first argument is the data, what data you want to write. Okay, and second argument is file, where you want to write the data. Okay, understood? There are two things you need to pass. One, the data. Second, the file where you want to write that. Okay, then separators, decimals, that all follows. Okay, but minimum these two are what? Required arguments. Okay, so instead of writing some garbage values or data, what I thought of writing some meaningful data. There is a data set, which is available in R. Okay, already similar kind of data set, Irish data set. Okay, we have seen. So what I am doing, I am loading a new data set, that is empty cars data set. Okay, empty cars data set. The data set is already present in our R. Okay, I am loading that into our current environment. How to load the data set? Using data and the data set name. So I have loaded successfully. Okay, the loading of data set has been done. Then I am setting what here in file was should give the file name. Okay, if you give the file name, it will be created at current working directory. Okay, wherever your script is running, there it will create the current in the current working directory. Or else if you want in a specific path or specific place, you should give the complete address. Okay, so I want my file to be created on my desktop here. Okay, I want my file to be created here. So I given the path c colon user colon sirar desktop. And what is the name of the file? Name of the file is empty cars1.txt. Okay, this everything I am assigning to a variable. Okay, I am assigning to a variable. Okay, next, see here. After assigning, I am writing that function write dot table. What I want to write? Empty cars, which I already loaded in this environment. Where you want to write? You want to write in what? File 1. What is the file 1? Already you given the location as well as the name of the file. Then what type you want to miss, what should be the separator while writing the file. So here I given the separator should be a tab separator. It should be what? A tab separator. Okay. Then do you want to include the row names? Yes, I want to include the row names. Okay. Then whenever you give row names equal to true, you should give column name equal to NA. Why? I will show you. Okay. In the file, what will happen if I don't give this? Done. Okay, now I'm executing this. Observe carefully. We'll get here. You get the file here. Got ma? Now when I
Sir,
open
doubt, sir.
this, yes ma. What is the doubt?
Sir, if we need to write anything in file, first we need to create the file, no, sir. Here
No,
we
no.
cannot, we are not.
Yes, yes. No need. It will create ma. It will automatically create.
Okay, sir.
No need to create because write dot table. If file is not there, it will create. Okay. See here. Now
Okay,
I'm
sir.
deleting this. Again, I will run. Created. So it will create. It is intelligent enough to create ma. That is true in other languages, but here it is fine. It will create. Now, if we see here, the separator is what? Tab separator. I open the, see, this is my data. Okay. These are names of the cars, and these are like mileage. These are how many cylinders it is having. What is the displacement? What is the horsepower? Kind of things. Okay. All the different things. Okay. So one by one we'll see. Observe carefully the data. What is 21? 21 is mileage. Okay, this 21 is mileage. For this column you don't have any name. Okay, for this column you don't have any name. Now suppose if I delete this path, observe carefully, I have deleted this path, I have given row name equal to true, I run. Okay, if okay, even if file is there, it will return. No need to worry. Okay, I'll open. One second. See here. What happened? Previously, here there were, see, like this empty was there. Now that empty is gone. So instead of car names, okay, it is showing MPG to car names. Actually, MPG should be opposite to what? 21 mileage. Okay, mileage per gallon. This MPG means what? Mileage per gallon. Mileage per gallon should be opposite to 21, but it is opposite to what? Car names. Okay, that is the reason. Take a screenshot and I will show you. Are you able to see the difference now? See here. Here empty is there no. Okay. This is not here. So here there is a mismatch between column names. Okay. Because if you don't mention this column dot NA, if you don't mention, this is a problem. Clear ma? What is column dot NA?
Yes, sir.
If I give false, then no need to write anything. Okay. If I write false, okay, you don't have what? Car names. Car names are not there. Okay, those are nothing but your row names. See, so this is mileage, but this is of no use. Okay, only knowing mileage, cylinder, displacement, horsepower, what you will do? Okay, what you will do without knowing for which car what is the data? Okay, so this is of no use. So generally what we do is we use this row name equal to true and column name equal to NA only for the first column. That's it. So till now, if you observe, there is a tab space. Okay, I don't want tab space, I want a normal space. Okay, then what I can do, see here, instead of giving tab space, I will give what, normal space. Now we'll see what will happen. I created empty cast 2. This is with normal space, single spacing. Okay, single spacing is there. This is what, tab space. Both the data is same, everything is same. Separators are different. Okay, here separator is tab, so it look like in a tabular format. Here separator is what, just a space. So based on your requirement, you can change the separators because you are writing. Okay, this is all about writing what, data to a text file. Next, we'll see how to write a data into a CSV file. Again, to write a data into CSV file, we have two functions. Similarly, write.csv and write.csv2. Similarly, in reading or importing, we have what, read.csv and read.csv2. Here the difference is in what, the separators and decimal values. Now what I'm using, okay, the same empty cast data dot csv. Okay, same empty cast data I'm taking, I'm writing into my empty cast 3.csv, and I'm making what, row names equal to true. Executed. I got my CSV file, comma separated value. See, here I need not to give what, column. Okay, column name equal to call name equal to NA, no need to give. It will arrange properly in CSV in a comma separated value. Okay, we'll try to open it in a Word and see. Notepad. See the, here separate is what, comma. That is what a CSV file is, no, comma separated file. So you are getting comma separated file. Okay. Similarly, you can. Okay, if you don't want to write row names, what you will give? You will give row name equal to false. If you don't want the row names, remember. See, here you have row names. No? Okay, see, row names are there, so it is up to L. Here row name equal to false. See, row names are gone. Before it was up to L. Now it has reduced to one column, that is K. Okay, based on your requirement, you can give row names or you may not give row names. No need to specify like this. Call dot names equal to NA here. Okay, it will take care. CSV file will take care. And what is the difference between CSV and CSV2? The same difference which we have in what, read.csv and read.csv2. Okay, if the decimal point is used to be period, I'll go with CSV, and if it is a comma, I'll go with CSV2. Okay, if I need a comma separated values, I'll go with CSV1. If I need a semicolon separated values, I'll go with CSV2. That's it. Next, how to write a data into Excel file. Okay, already we have seen reading a data from Excel file, we need an extra package. Okay, we need to first install, then we need to load that package. Okay, what is that? XLS package. Already while doing importing, I have already installed. Okay, if it is already installed, no need to reinstall it again, it will be there. Okay, only thing you have to do is you need to load. So what I do, I'll load it. Okay, so it has loaded successfully. Then what is the function? This is that function. Okay, write.xls. Write.xls is a function which is present in the above package. Okay, that is XLS package. Okay, what you are giving? See here, there are many things you'll give here. Okay, what data you want to write, where you want to write. Have you observed Excel? Excel can have many sheets. One Excel can have different sheets in it. So what sheet name you want to have? Okay, then these are remaining same things. You want column names or not, you want row names or not. What is append will tell you. By default append is false. Okay, when you make append equal to true, when you want to add one more sheet to the existing Excel sheet, already one sheet is there, you want to add one more sheet to it, then you use append equal to true. I will show you. So as you remember, already we have what data sets with us? I have Irish data set and then I have empty cast data set. Now I'm loading one more data set, that is US arrest data set, which is a sample data set available in R. So total 3 data sets are there. I will try to write the 3 data sets into same Excel file in different sheets. Understood what we are going to do? I'm going to load 3 different data sets into same Excel file in 3 different sheets. Okay, so first I want to create my Excel file. Okay, sorry, not create. I'm giving a path name and file name. Path name and file name I'm storing in file. Okay, I need to load it once again. I have loaded, then this I have given, and observe carefully first one. Okay, write.xls, what you want to write? I want to write US arrest data. Where you want to write? I want to write in file 4. And what should be the sheet name? Sheet name is what? US underscore, sorry, US USA hyphen arrest. And here I'm making append false because this is my first file. So this one I ran. See, my workbook.xls created. My workbook.xls created. In which, in that one sheet will be created with the name US arrest. See, able to see now? A sheet has been created with what? US arrest. Now I close it. Again I run. Okay, this time I am writing what? Empty cast data. This time I am writing what? Empty cast data. Where you are writing? To the same Excel file 4. Okay, my workbook.xls, and what is the sheet name I am giving? Sheet name I am giving is empty cars. Sheet name I am giving is what? Empty cars. But this time I am making append equal to true, which is compulsory if you want to retain the previous data. Okay, if you don't mention append equal to true, the previous data is lost. Okay, deleted, overridden. But I want previous data as well as the new data. Then I write what? Append equal to true. Now I run this command. Okay, I got warnings. Don't worry. I'll open and see. See, it was not the empty cars. Yes or no? Now I got empty cars data. So I have loaded 2 data sets. Now we'll try to load one more data set. Okay, Irish data set. Okay, where you are loading the same file with the sheet name Irish and then append equal to true. I ran. Okay, then I open it. See, Irish one not there. Okay, only you used to have what? USA hyphen arrest empty car. Now I even have Irish. Okay, clear? I will delete. I will do it once again. Okay, I have what? I have only what? Observe carefully. I don't have other sheets. I have only one sheet, that is US arrest. Then I run empty cars. Okay. I have empty cars. Both sheets close. Now instead of append true, I'll make it append false. Okay. Instead of append equal to true, I'll make what? Append false. Now I run this, ran successfully. Now tell me what will be there in my workbook. Will I have all the 3 files or only 2 files or only 1 file? Okay, see here. I have only Irish. I don't have US arrest and empty cars. Yes or no? Because I made what append equal to false. Append equal to false means my previous data has been overridden. My previous data has been overridden. So compulsory I should make it true if I want to retain the previous data. Okay. Any doubts?
Sir, can you repeat once again, sir, that app happened?
Which append? Okay. See, first there is a empty sheet. Okay. Then on empty sheet you are adding USA arrest. Okay. With what? Append false. Append false. Okay. That means this is added to it successfully. Then you are adding what? You are adding empty cars. Here you are making what? Append true. Example. Okay. So if you write append true, what will happen is this data retains. On this data is added. So you get both the data. That is the meaning of append. Append means adding. You are adding empty cars to US arrest. That is the meaning of append. Suppose append is false. Suppose append is false, then this will get deleted. You will have only empty cars.
Okay, sir.
Understood, ma? Appending
Yes,
means
sir.
adding. If it's true, you will add. Like in list also we append, no? So original list will then new list will be added at the behind kind of thing. That is the only thing. Good. Any other doubts? Already I uploaded the same file in Moodle, ma. Okay. You download it and you practice. You see what will happen. You make append, you make it true, false, and see what will happen. Here also column name. Okay, you delete it, you make it true, false. You alter with all the options and see what is happening. Okay, you'll get a better picture. Okay, so we are done with the part A of module 3, and in next class we'll be learning about graphics now. Okay. So I am done from my side. If you have any doubts, you can ask me. Meanwhile, you can download this file and try to execute and see what is happening. Okay, for practicing reading the file. Okay, for practicing reading the file is there, no? You need to have some files. Okay, these files to read I have posted in WhatsApp. Okay, I've posted them in WhatsApp group. You download this file. It will be helpful for you in reading. Okay, for practicing what? Importing files in R. Okay, anyone can confirm whether you received in WhatsApp group?
Yes, sir. We received.
Okay. Okay, ma. If you are not order, you can leave the meeting. Thank you.